Welcome to the fascinating world of AI art, where cutting-edge technology meets human creativity to forge a new frontier in visual expression. AI art is not just computer-generated, it's a sophisticated blend of machine learning algorithms and neural networks working together to interpret, learn, and create. Watch as AI processes thousands of artistic influences to produce something truly unique. Dive deeper into the technology behind AI art. Neural networks simulate how human brains operate, learning from vast data sets of existing art to develop and evolve new styles and ideas. The impact of AI on art is profound. Hear from both enthusiasts and skeptics within the art community as they debate the implications of this new artistic medium. Does AI challenge the very definition of an artist? From digital canvases to three-dimensional sculptures, AI is expanding the boundaries of how art can be experienced and appreciated. If you're intrigued by the limitless possibilities of AI art, subscribe and follow our journey into the future of creativity. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. What will AI create next? Join us to find out.